The perilla leaves are growing so well this year. I can't finish eating it all, and since purple ginger is in season now, I'm planning to make some. Adding a couple of slices of perilla and pickled ginger when I don't feel like eating is really great. Don't eat it. Here, every household grows some that they usually stir-fry. They always add perilla leaves to braised snails and fish, and this too. Sun-dried perilla roots. Soak in water after drying. Drinking it is really very useful. After washing, let him soak it here for a while so he can eat it cleaner and with more peace of mind. The purple ginger is especially tender at this time of year, making it perfect for pickling. It's too hot outside, I'd better go inside and get a scrape. We scraped the ginger skin clean. Let's clean him again. Let it air dry on the surface first. Now wash the purple sweet potatoes several times. This perilla is truly a wonderful thing. It's rich in protein and vitamins. Contains dietary fiber. Purple sweet potatoes are used to pickle ginger and cook in your area. Are there any other methods? Please let me know. Now that the perilla water is boiled, let's let it cool down first, and then we'll soak the ginger. Now we'll slice the purple ginger into thin slices. After cutting, put it into a glass jar. We poured in the cooled perilla water. Perilla water must be steeped with papaya and ginger slices for the best flavor. Store evenly in a cool, dark place and soak for 2 or 3 days before eating. Already? Look at the beautiful color of this pickled ginger with perilla leaves. Let's pick some out and try it. Let me try it. It's sweet and sour. It's sweet and has a wonderful perilla aroma. Other appetizers. It's especially hot today, so I made some millet porridge and added a little of this. A perilla pickled ginger. If you have perilla leaves and purple sauce at home, you should really try what I'm doing. You definitely won't regret it. Disappointed?